Hi, in this week's episode of Ask Astera, we're looking at how we can separate data based on a particular field and write it to multiple files using a single destination object in Astera's Enterprise. And this is as easy as it gets. Let's take a look at this use case. Here, we have a sample dataset of customers from a fictitious organization that has been read using an Excel source object. If we preview our data, we can see that there are customers from many different countries. And in this data flow, we're going to create a separate dataset for customers from each country on this list. Let's go to the properties of the Excel destination object we're using to write our data. On the first screen, you'll notice this option at the bottom that says Write to Multiple Files. This option is also available in other destination objects such as delimited and fixed length file destinations. Once it is checked, you'll see that a file node has been added to the object. When you're creating multiple files, this node can be used to dynamically provide the object with multiple file paths. To create a dynamic file path, we first used a constant value object to specify the location where these files will be saved. Next, we've used an expression object to create the full path using the country element from the source and the location specified earlier. The country name has been used as the file name so that each file contains the records for customers from a specific country only. Once the path has been created, map it to the file path element under the file node in the destination object. Now, let's run the data flow to see our results. As you can see in the job progress window, multiple files have been created and each file has been named after the country where the customers reside. For example, this file has been created for Mexican customers. So this is how you can separate data based on a field and write it to multiple files using a single destination object in Astera's Enterprise. If you have any questions about Astera's products, feel free to ask Astera. Send in your questions at the link below and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching this video.